Hi, writers. I was just thinking about how readers want to read smoothly by scooping up phrases. And in writing, you want your writing to be smooth also, but you do it differently. You do it by adding what are called transition words. Transition words are so that one piece of your paper going from one part to the next part to the next part so that it doesn't seem awkward. Think about when you were in first grade and you were coming to second grade to KMS. We had a transition day that was called Step Up Day. And normally you're supposed to visit the school, although we did it online last year. And think about how we tried to make it easier to transition from one thing to the next because of that Step Up Day. So now let's look at this writing piece about guinea pigs that I wrote. I happen to have 3 guinea pigs, so I've learned a lot about them because of my own reading about guinea pigs and because I own them and I get to observe them and watch them. And I put all of that together, and now I feel like I know a lot about them to write. So here I have my first draft, and it reads a little bit like a list, just kind of saying a list of things I know about them. Then you'll see on the next slide, I try to revise it and fix it up so that it's a smooth change or transition from one thought to the next so that it makes sense to my reader. And I can also say a little bit more about those parts to explain, because if someone wanted to actually get a guinea pig and I didn't explain more, I wouldn't want them to feel unprepared. So here we go. At the very beginning, it says, guinea pigs are pets. They are cute. Guinea pigs live in little pet huts. You have to feed guinea pigs. They eat hay. Guinea pigs are nice small pets. So I did have some facts there, but it's more like a list of facts. So how can I make it seem like I really wanted the reader to know in the very beginning that I wanted to teach them, and have almost like a chapter 1, here's all about this that you should know. Chapter 2 is all about this. And finally, an ending where I remind the reader of my topic, and maybe I hope that they learned something and want to do something now because of that. So go ahead to the next slide, and I will read for you how I changed it to add some transitions to smooth out those pieces and say a little bit more about them too.